In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-step opt-in form in LeadPages. This type of form can significantly improve your lead generation by breaking up the process into manageable steps. But keep watching because I'll also share some alternatives that might actually be a better fit for your needs, especially if you want to scale and automate your lead capture in a more efficient way. First thing, log into your LeadPages account and navigate to the opt-in forms section. Here, you'll see options to create either a new landing page or a pop-up. For a multi-step opt-in form, we're focusing on the landing page option. Start by selecting a template that suits your brand and design style. You'll notice some templates already have multi-step forms, but you can easily customize them. Next thing, let's add your form fields. LeadPages allows you to add multiple fields like name, email, phone number, etc. But for a multi-step form, you want to keep the steps short and sweet. This way, your users won't feel overwhelmed. For instance, on the first step, ask for their name and email only. Once they submit, move them to the next page where you can ask for more details, like their preferences or phone number. The third thing you'll need to do is connect your form to an email marketing service or CRM, like MailChimp or ActiveCampaign. This is crucial so you can start collecting and segmenting your leads automatically. To do this, just go to your form settings, select your email service provider, and follow the prompts to connect your accounts. After that, you'll be able to automate the follow-up process, which is vital for nurturing your leads. Now, let's talk about styling your multi-step opt-in form. This is where LeadPages offers some flexibility, but it can be a bit restrictive depending on your design needs. You can easily change the background, fonts, and button colors, but if you're looking for more customization, like adding animations or completely altering the flow, you might find LeadPages somewhat limiting. You can try custom code, but if you don't know your way around it, it can get a little complicated. Next thing, testing. This is a must. Once your form is built, make sure to test it on different devices. LeadPages does offer a preview feature, but it's always best to test in real time to ensure everything looks and functions perfectly. After testing, don't forget to check your email service to make sure leads are being captured properly. Lastly, before I wrap up, while LeadPages is solid for creating multi-step opt-in forms, it's not the only player in the game. You might want to check out alternatives that offer more flexibility, easier integrations, and advanced automation options. I've linked some alternatives below that actually might work better for long-term growth, and I'll be sharing an exclusive extended free trial for you to try them out risk-free. These alternatives are not only great for creating multi-step forms, but also offer a lot more tools to help you scale. So, in the description below, you'll find the best deals for both LeadPages and these alternatives. They're only available through our link, giving you the best free trial and some exclusive benefits. Be sure to grab it while it's still available.